Hey everyone, it's Paolo here, and in this video I'm going to show you a traffic authority tutorial for beginners. So what I'll do is I will show you how to use the traffic authority traffic package agency so you can start getting leads and commissions to your affiliate marketing campaigns. So for those of you who are brand new to this channel, my name is Paolo Beringel and I teach people about how to make money online with affiliate marketing and paid advertising. So if you want to get this kind of videos, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. So what I'll do in this video is I will show you how to use Traffic Authority, which is basically a traffic agency for people who are in affiliate marketing, specifically in the make money online niche. So you can use this traffic agency and I will show you how to create your account and how you can get high quality traffic so you can get traffic, leads, sales, and commissions to your affiliate marketing campaigns. So all the links will be in the comment section so you can check it out. So this is the main website of Traffic Authority and you can see three simple steps that you need to do so you can get high quality traffic. So step number one is you click the button below so you can create a free account. You can create a free account with Traffic Authority. And then step number two is choose your package, complete your order. And then step number three is watch your clicks and come in very quickly and you will start getting the leads, the sales, and the commission. So for this particular traffic source, these are the different traffic packages that are available with Traffic Authority. As you can see, the basic package will cost you around $220. So these are all one-time payment. Okay, so $220, you will get around 170 to 190 clicks. This means this 170 to 190 people going to your affiliate link. And then as the packages go up, the prices go up, so the number of clicks go up. The price per click will go down as the number of clicks go up, and then the price increase as well. Okay, now I believe, as I remember, when you purchase the traffic package with Traffic Authority, on your first traffic package, let's say when you purchase the basic, I believe they will upgrade you to the bronze. Okay, and then if you purchase the bronze on your first purchase, they will upgrade you to the higher package, which is the silver, so on and so forth. So let's say, for example, let's say it's your first time buying the traffic package. If you purchase, let's say, the platinum package, which is a one-time payment of $2,197, you will get 1,700 to 1,900 clicks. But because it's your first time purchasing the traffic package, I believe they will upgrade you to the titanium. And if you purchase the titanium on the first purchase, instead of getting the 3,400 clicks, you will get that diamond package. Okay, so that's what I remember when I first started with this particular traffic agency. So now what you do, depending on your budget, of course, it's entirely up to you. There's no pressure, there's no a requirement for you to purchase the higher packages. You can always start with the basic, the bronze, or the silver, depending on your budget. So now what you need to do is you click on create your free account. As I said, creating an account is 100% for free. So you create an account, and then once you sign in into your account, this is exactly how it looks like. So what you do here is, coming from the overview, you go to this part where it says Traffic Store. So when you click on Traffic Store, this is the page that you will see, and there's a quick explanation here that says how it works. And then essentially you just need to watch the video and then follow the steps. And then when you click here to buy the traffic, or this one right here that says buy traffic, okay, so what will happen is now you have the option to select the traffic package that you want to purchase. So basically what you do is you select the package, let's say the basic, the bronze, silver, gold, platinum, titanium, and diamond. It's entirely up to you. As I said, depending on your budget, it's entirely up to you. So let's say you want to be more aggressive and you want to get, let's say, 1,700 to 1,900 clicks. So one-time payment of 2,197. Plus, because it's your first time purchasing the traffic package, they will upgrade you to the titanium package. So that's you're gonna get this 3,400 clicks to 3,800 clicks, and then you just select the package, and then you will see that's the total amount that you need to pay. It's a one-time payment only, and then it says here enter the URL to send your traffic. So basically what you need to do, you want to make sure that you're sending your traffic to your lead capture page, because this is high quality traffic. Okay, and my recommendation is that you send the traffic to your lead capture page so you can get the email address of the person visiting your link. So if you don't have a system yet, or if you don't have a lead capture page yet, my recommendation is go to this website. The link will be in the comment section. As I said, all the links are in the comment section. You go to this website. I have this done for you system that will help you earn up to $200 per sale. That means whenever people purchase, you can make up to $200 commission per person. So when you go to this website, you just follow the steps. So you put your email, show me how. It will take you to the next page. You click this button. It will take you to the next page, and then you watch the video. You click on join daily income method. You go to the next page, and then you click here to pay. You put your email and your name, and then you follow the steps. You complete the payment. Once you complete the payment, you are now able to log into your dashboard. And then from here, what you want to do is you click on system setup, and then what you can do is you update your username and profile. It's like creating a Facebook profile. The most important part is you click on add payment links so you can get paid depending on which payment method do you want to select. So you can get paid using Stripe or Wise, credit card, PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, Apple Cash, Chime, Wise, crypto, and other payment methods. So you just watch the video, and then you save the payment methods, and you click on save and continue, and then you click on lead capture page. So when you reach on this part, you just watch the video here on step number 1 and step number 2, and then essentially what will happen is you will now get a copy of this exact page right here. So this is one of the pages that they supplied, that they provided for all the affiliates. So now what you need to do is basically copy the link of this page. So let's say, for example, that I want to promote this page. So I will copy the link, and then I'm going to go back to Traffic Authority. So again, it says enter the URL to send your traffic. So my recommendation is send the traffic to your lead capture page. So I will put the link here. There you go, superaffiliatecoach.com. So that's going to be the link that we will promote. And then you basically select your payment method, enter your CVV code, which is your credit card details, and then you sign here, and then you click on submit your order. So once you submit your order, this is exactly what will happen. Okay, this traffic agency, so let's say for example that you purchase the platinum package. So the platinum package, you will get 1,700 to 1,900 clicks. Okay, and because it's your first time purchasing the traffic package, if they upgrade you to the titanium package, you will get 3,400 to 3,800 clicks. So what will happen is Traffic Authority will do the advertising on your behalf. So the traffic will go live. Once the traffic goes live, then people will go to this page. So let's say 1,700 to 3,800 people will go to this website, which is your lead capture page. You can promote any lead capture page, any affiliate link. Okay, if you don't have one yet, you can use the same system that I'm using, which is exactly this page right here. what will happen is people go to this page, they click this button because they also want to make money online. They put their email address, watch the video to learn how, and then it will take them to the thank you page, this next page right here. Again, you don't need to speak to anyone, you don't need to recruit anyone, you don't need to know who these people are, because Traffic Authority is doing the advertising on your behalf. And then when people go to this page, the system will do all the selling and all the telling. It's fully automated. So people watch this video, it explains how it works. Because people are interested to also make money online, they click on Join Daily Income Method now. They go to the next page, so this time it will say referred by you because it's your affiliate link. They click here to pay. They follow the payment methods that you specified. Whenever people purchase, if you go to your commissions right here, so if you go to your commissions, on the right side you will see that's how you can see all these commissions that are coming in. So that's exactly how you can get traffic to your affiliate links. And again, the traffic source that we're talking about is called Traffic Authority. So if you like this video, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and make sure that you smash that thumb or hit the like button, give it a like. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below and I will answer them. Otherwise, all the links will be in the comment section so you can check out Traffic Authority. Again, creating an account for free. Creating an account with Traffic Authority is 100% free. You can create an account. Once you create an account, you can explore through the website. And then once you are ready to promote, once you have an affiliate link, once you have a system that you want to promote, all you need to do is go to the traffic packages and then simply select the traffic package. Really simple. There's no complicated stuff right here. There's no technical stuff. That's why I love this traffic package, because, you know, if you don't have a lot of time to learn about advertising, all you need to do is buy the traffic package and then simply put your affiliate link or your lead capture page link and then complete the payment. Once you complete the payment, okay, Traffic Authority will send the traffic to your affiliate link, and whenever people purchase, then you make the commission. So again, all the links will be in the comment section so you can check out Traffic Authority. I look forward to connecting with you, and I look forward to hearing your testimonials and your success story. If you purchased traffic package from the Traffic Authority traffic agency, and if you got sales, let me know in the comment section so I can also, you know, congratulate you. I want to hear your testimonial. Otherwise, all the links will be in the comment section so you can check out Traffic Authority. Again, give this video a like or a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you for watching. Again, all the links will be in the comment section. I wish you all the best and God bless.